Hello everyone, I'm Peggy from TPIsoftware Corporation. Today, I would like to introduce our enterprise-level API management platform, digiRunner. Before we get started, let's first look at some common pain points when managing APIs and why you need an effective API management platform. Nowadays, many business functions are achieved through APIs. With a growing demand for API adoption, the number of APIs is skyrocketing. These APIs may be stored in different AP servers or have been ignored for not being used, which can lead to management burdens. The second pain point is the API format inconsistency. Different formats in AP servers such as SOAP API and RESTful APIs can make it difficult for the connection when publishing APIs to external users. Besides, the types of API calls and authorization can vary depending on the external users. Managing API authorization in the backend system can be another hassle. What's more, ensuring data security should be your first priority in terms of opening up data access, and it takes effort to perform data encryption. These can all result in API management challenges, and this is why you need a comprehensive API management platform. digiRunner is an enterprise-level API management platform made for you, which allows you to manage APIs with ease. As an API gateway, digiRunner is built with WAF protection, traffic control, and IP management. Through the API admin console, you can easily manage and authorize all APIs. In addition, featuring real-time monitoring and alarm threshold settings, digiRunner can monitor hardware resource usage and its status, and alerts will be sent instantly for any anomaly detection. For connecting with AD or LDAP, digiRunner can also integrate with these systems to implement single sign-on. We have two plans tailored to your need. One is a free edition, digiRunner Express, and the other is the paid edition, digiRunner Enterprise. If you seek API management with only a few APIs, then digiRunner Express can best suit your need. digiRunner Express provides platform access control, API client management, and API authorization with built-in OAuth 2 verification in JWT settings, which can greatly reduce your development workload. If you have a large number of APIs, or Open API, or have a need for API design and composition, then digiRunner Enterprise is what you need. In addition to the features of Express, the API Composer allows you to create new APIs simply by drag and drop gestures of function nodes without advanced programming skills. Secondly, digiRunner Enterprise provides a more complete API statistical report and real-time alert. When an issue occurs, IT personnel can be notified immediately to jump into troubleshooting. Moreover, through building API portal, you can publish the APIs and authorize your external partners to access them. Finally, digiRunner Enterprise can integrate with Enterprise AD or LDAP to achieve single sign-on. Next, let me show you the features of digiRunner. We've categorized the features into three aspects. At router level, digiRunner protects your system from attacks with traffic control and data security mechanisms. For API gateways, digiRunner provides gateway management, authentication, and authorization without additional development effort at the backend system. On the management interface, digiRunner provides the API admin console and API portal. The API admin console is specifically for internal personnel such as IT pros or API developers. You can create API proxies for the APIs stored in AP servers through digiRunner to perform API management, access authorization, and traffic management. The API portal is aimed at internal and external service developers. Through the API portal, they can apply for the authorization to access the APIs. What's more, you can categorize the APIs in groups for internal and external developers to reduce the time. The API portal is aimed at internal and external service developers. Through the API portal, they can apply for the authorization to access the APIs. What's more, you can categorize the APIs in groups for internal and external developers to reduce the time for browsing the APIs needed. This is also available for the API admin console. digiRunner has the following highlights. If you need to design a new API or recompose existing APIs into a new one, the digiRunner API Composer is built with various function nodes. You can create an API simply through drag and drop gestures. The nodes include data format transformation and different communication protocols. The connection with various types of databases can all be integrated through digiRunner API Composer. Traffic control is not easy for API calls from traditional API server. Now you can easily configure API traffic through digiRunner to prevent connection interruption due to high traffic demand. digiRunner is also featured with IP whitelisting and blacklisting settings. The next one is access control. Now let's picture this. Have you struggled with access right management among API clients? How to manage different API clients with different API request permissions and verification methods? Now, with digiRunner Admin Console, you can easily manage access control for each API client by using either API key or OAuth2 authentication. Next, access period control. You can customize the access time period for API clients based on their access right levels. The next one is monitoring and alert. It's frustrating not getting a response or being disconnected from service when calling the API. With digiRunner's real-time monitoring and alert, this won't happen again. You can configure the threshold of monitoring metrics. When the conditions are met, the system will actively notify the personnel through emails or communication apps. Moreover, digiRunner also provides various API statistical reports, which allows you to view API call volume, response time, API usage traffic, and more at a glance. Finally, digiRunner also features API logs for your internal and external auditing. digiRunner has a simple and user-friendly interface. On the left side is the function bar, and the operation interface is on the right. You can configure the platform role permissions to assign different access levels to different roles. digiRunner mainly consists of three parts: the API gateway for API gateway management, the admin console for the enterprise and organizations, and the API portal, the API store for external partners, which form a comprehensive API management. The following features aim to help you manage APIs with ease. The first one is API registration. As long as your API request is HTTP or HTTPS, you can register its URL to digiRunner and make digiRunner the API proxy. You can manage the registered APIs through the admin console. The next one is API Composer. You can also use digiRunner API Composer using the built-in function node to design the APIs you need. The third one is API management. A registered API or an API created by the digiRunner API Composer, both can be managed through the digiRunner admin console. You can view and configure API quotas and traffic, or perform data encryption. The next one is access control. The digiRunner platform allows you to build your own hierarchical access control. For effective management, you can define specific API access to be restricted to authorized group users only. API client access, API authorization, and certificate can all be done through the digiRunner admin console. Next, analysis and reports. digiRunner also provides various useful statistical reports, such as API usage reports to view the API request and response details. All the information will be recorded even for failed requests. The last one is monitoring and alert. Besides anomaly detection, you can configure the threshold for alert activation to notify IT personnel when an issue occurs. Notifications can be sent by emails, communication apps, or other ways you want. It's easy to make digiRunner the API proxy. After deploying the API to AP server, register its URL to digiRunner through the admin console, and done. digiRunner will generate a set of URLs for your internal and external partners to call the APIs. Other things such as load balancing and traffic control can all be managed with digiRunner. digiRunner provides diverse API authorization methods. API clients can apply for authorization through the API portal, and internal users can also authorize clients through the admin console. The authorization is available for a single API or a group of APIs of same type at once. You can also generate and issue API key through digiRunner for clients to call APIs. Any changes of the issue's API keys can also be done through the admin console. digiRunner provides OAuth2 flow and access token for authentication and validation to ensure data security. digiRunner also provides a flexible authentication module for connections and an enhanced authentication module for sensitive data. In response to the open government and data connection, we are already working on the TPIsoftware authentication module to provide more services. digiRunner is a secure API management platform. digiRunner supports TLS 1.2 and two-way certificate for data transmission, which can be managed through the admin console. For API authorization, digiRunner provides public, API key, and API group authorization. For the authentication and token, digiRunner supports OAuth 2. You can configure JWE or JWS for data encryption if needed. You can make the most of the digiRunner API Composer to create APIs. New APIs can be created simply by drag-and-drop gestures or function nodes from the left to the right. Data format transformation such as XML to JSON, or connection with backend systems such as MQ, SAF, RFC, and various types of databases all can be achieved through the digiRunner API Composer. In addition, the APIs created by the API Composer are compliant with OAS 2.0 and 3.0, and the system can automatically generate Swagger documents. The digiRunner API portal is for external API clients. API clients can register an account through the API portal. Internal and external partners can visit and find the open APIs published here and request the access. In addition, the portal provides a testing environment for API lifecycle. digiRunner's flexible deployment infrastructure can best fit your need. It can be deployed across cloud, on-premises, or hybrid, and be installed on virtual machines or Docker containers. For the operating systems, it is also available for Windows or Linux. digiRunner supports active architecture to ensure high availability and zero downtime service. It is recommended to install 2 digiRunner servers so that you can enjoy uninterrupted services when updating systems. digiRunner is also available for system scaling. You can increase the number of servers or upgrade your hardware for virtual machines. For Docker containers, Docker will automatically scale out when the traffic exceeds. digiRunner is the best tool for enterprise API lifecycle management. From API creation, access, and data security control to usage analysis, digiRunner takes care of everything. With digiRunner, all you need to do is focus on your core business, and digiRunner will help you create a competitive edge. That's all for the introduction to digiRunner. Thank you very much for watching.